A is for apple. A is for apple. Her P is right. A, apple. Apple. B is for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Let's spell it again. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Hey friends, C, how, cow. Let's say it together. C-O-W-W, cow. Great job, everyone. See you next time. D is for duck. D-U-C-K. Let's say it together. Quack. Great job. D is for duck. Quack. Yay, see you next time. Hi, everyone. E is for egg. G spells egg. Let's see what's inside this basket. Wow, so many eggs. Great job. Now you know E. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer.
That's right, young farmer. Let's go find the other letters.
Wow, look, the letters are growing in the field.
Now we have the whole word.
Hi, G is for goat. Goat. Oh, whoa, whoa. Let's go explore the farm. Yay! G is super fun. H is for hen. H-E-N, hen. What does the hen do? It walks and clucks. Look at it go. Great job, H. Hooray for hen. I is for ice. Hi, I'm the Master Tech Kid. Look at this ice cube. Ice is so cool. And here's the letter I. J-A-C-K, Jack-Day. Party, Jackfree. You got it. Now let's sing it together. That's right. J is for jackfruit. Yeah. K is for kiting. Kite, a kite is flying. Whee, so high. Spells kite. Kite, that's me. Yay, let's fly again. L is for lamb. L-A-M. Let's run and play. Learning is fun. Great job, friends. M is for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango, go. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M is mango, go. N is for nest. N-E-S-T spells nest. Look at the nest. A cozy nest for a bird. Yay, nest starts with N. N is super. I. O is for ox. Ox. Look at this strong ox. O is for ox. Great job. O-X, ox. P is for pig. Let's spell it together. P-I-G. Great job. P is for pig. See you next time. Q is for quail. Q. Quail starts with Q. Quail, that's me. Fly, quail, fly. Quail flies with Q. Whee! I fly. R is for rabbit. R-B, rabbit. S-H-B-P. That's me. Let's spell it again. Run and play. Whee! Look at the sheep go. Fun. Great job, Ed. T is for tractor. T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor. Wow, look at it go. It's plowing the field so fast. Yay, great job. Tractor car. Hi, U is for bright. Let's spell it together. U-M-B-R-L-A. When it rains, my umbrella keeps me dry. Umbrella. Hi, I'm the Veggie Kid. Let's learn about vegetables. Let's go find some. Look, a carrot. Yay! You're a great friend. W is for wheat. H-E-A-T. That's right, I'm the letter W. Wheat grows in a field just like this one. Yay, good job. X is for xylophone. Let's play the xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O is a wing. Great job. Keep learning with me. Y is for yak. Y-A-K spells yak. Yay! I'm the letter Y, and this is a yak. Woo! I'm a yak. Yay for Y and yak. Z is for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra! Z is for zebra.